Hello and welcome to Affinity. Today we're going to look at a new adjustment which has a funny sounding name but is actually really useful. And this is the HSL control over here. So I click on this, up comes this. And it's called HSL because you've got here hue, saturation and luminosity is what you're changing. So let's have a look at those. Hue, first of all, if I move this, all the colours change. And you seldom want to do this. But often what happens is you want to just tweak now and again the colours tiny, just move it a little bit like this. If you want to get the thing back to 0, you can always type 0 in here, or I can double click the circle there and that goes back to 0 like that. Saturation, to understand saturation, I can actually turn this off, so I hit delete and then go to vibrance here, because we covered this before and in that we also talked about saturation, which is here as well, but they're not the same saturation. If I turn this saturation all the way down, then you can see here the top and bottom of the car matched. It's gone, the yellow there has gone white, and the cars stand out quite well. And if I turn it up, it becomes more colourful, and you can think of saturation as a colourfulness control. But I'm going to delete that one and go back to the original one here. I just click on the default there and that comes back up. Now if I turn the saturation down here, it's not the same effect. The yellow of the car there has now gone to grey. And this is how this is different, because this moves things towards grey, which is slightly different. And if I turn it up, it becomes even more colourful. So it's kind of a stronger effect. The luminosity, which is how light or dark the picture is, makes the things, down here it moves it towards black and eventually will go black, and upwards adds light and makes it a bit hazy, and eventually that goes black as well, sorry, goes to white. So what's useful about this, let's hit reset to make sure everything goes back to 0, is these here. These are really handy. So if I click on the yellow, for example, these bits here, what this shows me is that I'm focusing around this yellow area here. And so if I change the hue, see the cars changing colour. But you may spot this colour change in other areas of the picture as well. You can reduce this by taking these dots and moving them. So the inner dots are the ones which say this is the main area I'm going to focus on. So I can bring those right into the yellow. And the outer area, it gives it like a fade off. So I can bring those in as well if I want to focus just on those cars. If I go too far, I can always tweak things back and play around with them. And then I can change the colours of the cars. So that's a really handy thing. What you can also do as well with this is you can use the other controls. So make it more colourful or less colourful there. And you can make it darker or kind of more whiter. So there we go. That's a very useful control you've got. Let's show one more thing, by the way, because we've got a little bit of time, and that is I'm going to click on just the magenta one here and take this wall up here. If I think this wall is standing out too much, maybe sort of clashing with this a bit, I'm going to go to the picker here and then click on a part of the wall there, and that automatically moves these to the right position for that wall. And then now I can say, let's just turn down the saturation of the wall so it doesn't compete so much with the colour of the cars. And there we go. That's the hue, saturation and luminosity control, HSL. And it's great for selectively tweaking colours, and also you can do things, just change the overall saturation or the light and dark of a picture. That's it, and thank you very much for watching.